Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I converted my palazzo trousers into a gown with 9 different styles. Yay! If this is your first time coming by, you are very much welcome. In our last video, I showed you how I made an open back drape top with chiffon fabric. Now, if you want to see how I made these gowns, let's get started. First, pull off the trousers and put both legs into one trouser. We will be styling with the other trouser. Pull up the trouser's waist towards your chest like this. Align it properly. Now, as you can see, we have a fitted gown, but that's not all. Now take the unused trouser and twist in form of a loose rope. Wrap around your waist like this. Tuck into the starting point. Yeah, our first style is ready. Beautiful. Take the other trouser over your shoulder and tuck into the back. Tuck it into the back like this. Then align it properly like this. Now we have a single sleeved look, which you can adjust as you want. For the third style, twist the other trouser into a loose rope like this. Make it loose. Pass around the back of the neck like this and tuck it in at the other end. That's all. Again, twist the other trouser into a loose rope. Pass it around your neck like this and tuck it into the side. Just that. Well done. We'll be using a safety pin for this style. Twist the other trouser into a tight rope that ends at the other side of the waist. Then use a safety pin to keep it in place and allow the rest of the trouser to fall freely. Align the other trouser properly and flatten it out across your chest this way. Then use the safety pin to hook it in place from the inside. For this style, don't twist the whole length of the trouser at once. Make an initial twist like this, then gradually twist around the knot, round and round, in a spiral form, ensuring the twists are tight and firm. This way. Tuck in the leftover. That's all. Beautiful. Style 8. Press the trouser over your shoulder this way. Align it. Grab the edge and slip it into the opening under your arm. You can then use a pin to hold it in place. This is simple and beautiful. I love it. Feel free to play around with the other trouser length to create more styles. Just feel free to create whatever style that comes to mind. And so, the last style on our list. Take the trouser and pass it over the shoulder, across the back, all the way to the other side. You can repeat this process if the trouser isn't properly aligned, just like mine. Align it properly, then tuck in the leftover and align properly to fit. That is all. 9 beautiful and simple styles. Guys, I had so much fun creating these styles. Okay guys, we've come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click the like button and please subscribe. Also post your comment because your feedback is very important to me. Hit the notification bell to get notified on my next video. See you next time. Bye. Dance with me.